Now, how to know movie name. Here I'm going to show you 3 steps on how to know movie name. Now here, first you can find movie name by clicking this comment section here. If you are using TikTok or any social media you are using, find the comment section. You can find a movie name on the comment section here. You can see here. Now here, in case you didn't find the movie name here, now here what you do now is here, go back like this by clicking this cancel icon here. Now here, click on share. Now here, slide you find more. Now click on more. Now here, copy the link like this. Now here, what you do now is to open your ChatGPT like this. Now here, paste the copied link. Now here, add comma and then add this. What? Let me type it and then explain. Now you can see here what I asked it here. What is this movie name? Now here, send it by clicking on this send icon here and then wait for it. Now here, in case it didn't show you the movie name like this, now here what you do now is to here go back to that movie again like this. Now here what you do now is here screenshot the movie like this using your 3 finger, or just screenshot it if you have the screenshot feature like this, and then click on screenshot icon here. Now you can see I've screenshot the movie. Now here, go back to ChatGPT like this. Now here, click on this icon here, this file icon here. Now here, click on files here. Now what you do now is to click on that screenshot like this. As you can see, it is uploading. Now here, type this like this. What? Let me type it and then explain. Now you can see here. Now here what you do is to send it like this by clicking this send icon here. Now here is the result, how it will be. Now this is how the result will be. You can see here. You can see the movie name on the down section here. You can see it here. You see. So try it and tell me how it works on the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. See you on the next video. Peace.